Hi guys, we're just going to finish off a job today. Currently we sell a system for the Honda Civic Hatchback, but we only sell it for the basic level entry car. If your car's got the AC information on the dash, then obviously we're just going to put this cable in today, which will enable the dash display to work for the AC and stuff like that, and then obviously allow us to sell to that particular car. So we've bought the Connects 2 cable today, which is the CTSH0 2.2. Comes with the patch lead, universal patch lead, and this is a standard ISO cable, which is from the same factory as the media system. So give us a few moments and I'll show you the end result. So guys, today we've just finished off the install on this Honda Civic Hatchback. If you were knowledgeable to our first video, you'd find that we only sold it to the one particular car. The only reason being is because none of these buttons would work with this corresponding screen on top of the dash. Now with the Connects cable I showed you earlier in the video before, now you can see, if I was to select all these buttons now work, and also continuation of the steering wheel controls will work. So yeah, we can now sell it to the cars, which is category B in the sale page. So good news, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care, bye bye.